Okay, moving on to 5e. Okay. Okay, so if this is 12 and these three are exactly the same, then each one must be 4 each. So these are just 4s. All of these are just 4s. And these are just 8s. So step 1, I want to find the base area. The base area consists of two little square. These two little square. Each one is 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 times 2. And a long rectangle. This long rectangle is 12 times 4. Because this is 8 and this is 4. So what's remaining here must be a 4. So that's 12 times 4. And that would be my base area. That's 80. Number 2, the volume is going to be base area times height. Volume is 80. And the height is 4. Because this is equal, so this must be a 4. Once again, you will have to flip the shape over, so the shaded one will become the base area. So the volume is 320 centimeter cube. Okay, moving on to 5F. So this will be the base area. And we were told that these are all 4 each. They are all the same. So the base area is just 4 times 4 for one little square. And in total, we have 5 of them. So we multiply by 5, right? There's 5 little square. So 4 times 4 times 5, we get 80. Step 2, you just need to know that the volume is going to be 80 times, so base times height, base area times height. Base area is 80, and the height is just 4. If you look at the diagram, right? This is the height, that's 4. Okay, that's why we multiply the base area by 4, because the height is 4. And we get 320 centimeter cube. Great. Moving on to G. So G and H are a little bit more difficult, and most likely it won't be tested. So if you don't get it, that's okay. You can still watch this video to see if you can understand, but if you really don't get it, I think it's okay. Okay, if that's 3x, each one of these must be x each, because there are 3 of them and they are all equal. So again, my base area is going to be x times x, one little square, and I have 2 of them, these 2. So that's 2 times x plus the bottom rectangle, this piece right here, is going to be a 3x. And then, yeah, so if this is x, this must also be x, because this entire length is 2x, so 2x minus x will give me x. So that would be just 3x times x. We get 2x squared plus 3x squared, so we get 5x squared. So there, that's our base area. And the height is just 4x here. If you flip this over, that will become the height. So volume will be 5x squared times 4x. We get 20x to the power 3. They didn't give us the unit, so I'll just say this is a cubic unit. 5h. So this piece here will be the base. Nine x, ax. These are the same. And this is x. So if that's x, this is also x. Okay. These are 3x. So the base area consists of 2 equal rectangle, these 2. They are just 9x times x, right? And the middle piece, this piece right here. If this is ax, this is x and x, so ax minus 2x, we should get 6x here. If this is 9x minus 3x, we should be left with 3x. So the middle rectangle piece will just be a 6x times 3x. So 9x times 2, 9 times 2 is 18, x times x is x squared. And then 6x times 3x, 6 times 3 is 18, x times x is x squared. We get 36x squared after we add it up. So now if you look at the height is just y. Right? I'm not going to sketch the entire thing out. That length there is y. So that's the height. So volume will be base area times height. We get 36x squared times y. So our final answer is 36x squared y. And this will be in cubic units for volume. And that's it for question 5. I'll see you in question 6.